There are several ways to select multiple widgets. One method is by dragging and dropping selection box. Another method is to select a widget, then hold down the Shift key and click to select more widgets. This is useful for selecting separated components. To select all components on the canvas, press Ctrl or Command+A. How to select the widgets below is when there are multiple overlapping widgets. After selecting the first widget, click again later to select the widget below it, which is useful for situations where multiple widgets overlap. The second method is to right-click on overlapping widgets and select the widget from the Select Widget menu option. Drag the edges around the widget to change the size of the shape. Hold down the Ctrl or Command keys, move to the corner of the component, and you can see that the cursor has turned into a circle. Then, drag the mouse to rotate the widget. Right-click on the widget and select Select Shape, then select any shape to change it. I changed the rectangle to a bubble. Right-click on the widget and select Transform Shape. Click Edit Point. You can edit the shape's anchor points and drag the anchor points to transform the shape. If you have selected multiple shapes, you can perform Boolean operations on them. Unite, subtract, exclude, and intersect are all Boolean operations. I choose Unite, and the two shapes unite into one shape. If you want to convert shapes to an image, choose Convert to Image. Here is a useful operation. If you drag the edges to change the size of many widgets, the text size will remain unchanged, resulting in misalignment. You can copy all these widgets, then right-click to select Paste Special, Paste as Image. If you drag and change the size of this image, there won't be any misalignment. To bring a widget to front, select it, then click Front on the Style toolbar. To bring a widget to back, click Back on the Style toolbar.